YouTube watchers and subscribers, can you guess where I am?
No, I'll give you a clue. I'm not in the UK, I'm telling you that. That's the biggest clue you're gonna get from me until I tell you where I actually am.
And as such, leave some comments in the description if you guessed it right, obviously. But where I actually am, I'm in America. Yep, I've crossed the pond, gone over to America, and I've gone to Atlanta, Georgia. Guys, I'm currently here now in my Airbnb, chilling. And as such, while I was doing that, I was thinking, should I make this YouTube video? Yeah, guys, I thought, should I do it? Because I came here to relax, to see some family who live in Atlanta, Georgia, and others who are coming down from Toledo, from Florida, all coming up to Atlanta, Georgia to have a little gathering with us and have a great time together. Yep, that's what I was doing. But what actually happened, 2 days before I was going to leave, I got a package from one of the backing jobs I did on Kickstarter. It came through the post and I thought, oh, I can't review this. I've got to do the video, get it edited, chuck it up to YouTube, do all the shenanigans that you've got to do on YouTube to get it circulated the best you can. I thought, you know what? I'll chuck it in my suitcase. When I go over there, I'll sit down, relax and go through whatever it's got and look at it properly there. And that's exactly what I've done. Guys, although I came here to relax, I've ended up doing a YouTube video. But what this is going to be is just a quick unboxing of this product, which is a wonderful product. It's a wireless AI microphone by Boya, B-O-Y-A. Hopefully I've said that right, Boya, because I'm sure someone's going to go, booyah, Boya. Guys, so yeah, wonderful product. A backed project on the Kickstarter page there that I backed, and I just received it. And from what I've read from others on the Kickstarter project and other YouTube reviewers, this thing's absolutely wonderful. It could be one of the best mini microphones out there currently, guys. So let's have a quick look. I'm going to get it out of the box, take it out bit by bit. It's out of the box, to be quite honest with you, because I left the box at home. I've got it in the pouch that it comes with. Guys, it comes with its own pouch. Everything crammed into one place. Let's have a look at it. Let's go. I hope the Airbnb host doesn't mind me doing this. This was a little, or big I should say, side table where the table lamp was on, but I'm going to put it back, so don't worry about it. I'm going to put everything back. But here's the pouch, and it is a wonderful premium pouch. Very nice feeling, I must say. And this is called the Boya Magic, the world's first AI-powered transformable wireless microphone system. Guys, that's the official name for this thing. So let's get it out of the box here. Let's see what it comes with. As you can see there, Boya Magic quick start guide. Let's chuck that there. A quite large looking wind muff, because not many wind muffs look that big, I must say. So that's giving you a clue of the shape of the thing. Look at that. Look at me playing silly buckets with it. But that's the wind muff there, and this is the actual product, guys. Look at that. This is for, or you know, like a microphone muff to give you that nice professional look when you're doing interviewing, etc. Like this, you can look a bit more professional than having this Queen's Guards hat looking thing. Yeah, guys, one of them hats, I forgot what they call them now, but you know, those guards that wear the red jackets that guard the Queen's Palace, the Queen's Guards, they got these big hats that they wear. I've got it on the tip of my tongue, but I can't say it. And this is the actual product, guys. Look at that. This is the product there. That's a bit there. I don't know exactly what it is because I haven't looked at the instructions. I've just opened it up. Let's put that there. Look at that. All magnetic, guys. This is a magnetic closing case for the Boya Magic microphones themselves. And as you can see, guys, they are so small. Look at that. They are really small. Now you can see why I said to you earlier on, these are the smallest wireless microphones that I've seen. Put it that way. If there's some out there, they're out there. But from my perspective, these are the smallest that I have seen. Look at that, guys. There's a little clip there that you can clip it onto whatever you want to clip it onto. Look at that, guys. It can clip on there, and then it's got a magnetic. Look at that, so small, and it comes with a little magnet as well. Look at that. So you can stick it on your shirt or wherever you want to stick that magnet to, and you've got your little microphone there. It is so small, guys. I tell you, as I said to you earlier, the reviewers that have reviewed it properly have said it is absolutely wonderful. The sound quality is amazing considering its size, guys. Considering its size, it's unbelievable. And that's the case. I'm putting it in right. Let's take this plastic off. There's a bit of plastic here. Let me take that off us to charge it from the case, because obviously that's what this is. This is a charging case. And I think, as you can see here, it did pop up before. Has it come up now? Let me see if there's a magnet there as well. There is a magnet there still. Right, so there's 2 charging pins there, if you can see it, that sit on top of those charging pins there, and it sits in with the magnets on. These magnets are on, and it sits in that little square recess there and just plops in. And as you can see, there's the red light there flashing, indicating it's charging the microphones, guys. Yep, there's 2 red lights. There's one at the top and one that's more viewable there. And the battery case indicator showing 4 bars or 4 dots, whatever you want to call it, showing you that this is fully charged, yeah, guys, and charging the wireless microphones. It's absolutely, look how small it is. It's like a, I don't know, it's like a, if it was left on the table and I saw it there, my first thought would be it was one of me missus' makeup gadgets. We'd pull it out and then a pen would come out with makeup on it. That's what I would look at it as. I'm talking so much about it because I'm so excited. I haven't shown you the rest of the stuff in this case. Look at this. You got the cable there, another cable, the USB-A to USB-C cable. So it comes with a lot of cables, guys. A lot of, there's another cable here. Oh, the USB-C cable. I thought they were old school, but they're not. They've got one old school and one new school. There, guys. They didn't forget the new school. They made sure it was there. Great stuff. This is another receiver that you can plug into whatever you need to plug it into. It comes with 2 receivers, guys. This is the big boy, yep, that you can put into a, I think this is a hot shoe, you can go into your camera, SLR camera, guys, SLR. That is amazing. And then you've got your SLR jack here that goes to your camera, or mirrorless camera, I should say. And oh, it's amazing, look at that. And your wind muffs. There's your wind muffs, guys, that go on top of your wireless microphones. And look at this, guys. This is another form of transmitter, I believe, or receiver. I've got to get I'm doing my usual, showing you something that I haven't looked into the manual about. Look at that, it even comes with a little stand, guys. Look at that, can you believe it? A little stand. Oh man, look at this. This is absolutely wonderful. And you just turn it, position it where you want and screw it up, and there it is, guys, absolutely. And it's got another mounting option there if you want to slot something like a camera light or something like that on the side while you're doing whatever you're doing. Another shoe mount there. Look at that. All of that comes in that case. It is a complete setup. Let me get this manual out. I need to have a look at it and tell you guys exactly what's there, because I'm not telling you properly. Right, yeah, there you are, guys. That is the, I didn't see it, but now I've seen it. It's the lightning cable wireless receiver. Yep, that's it. Because the C version is already on there, that you would chuck into your phone or your camera or something that can take a USB-C connector to get your sound. and this would be your receiver, while these are the transmitters transmitting your sound. Guys, look at that. So that is it, guys. What else is there before I forget anything? No, that's it. This is a test of the Boya wireless microphone system, and I've got it on my shirt, and look how dinky it is. You can hardly see the thing. I can put it under my collar. I'm telling you guys, I should do really. Let me try it. What I'm doing, I've got the microphone magnet here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it under my top collar, and all you're gonna see is that little magnetic bit there. And that's it, it's under my collar. I've got a microphone kind of hidden away. Yeah, guys. So if I was doing a thing, I'm gonna turn to the left. Obviously my mouth is speaking away from it. And but where I would use it is more so on my hat. Let me get my hat, because I'm a hat man. I've got a wireless microphone system in my cap. So it's absolutely wonderful. And my voice is going to be constant all the time. Even turning around here, my back is to the camera. You're just going to hear me. Great stuff. And that is exactly how it looks. So you can see everything there. Just that little square bit there. Right, I just shook my head and it did come off. So the magnet is not really powerful enough. If you don't shake your head too much, it will also be very good. You just got to be a little bit still. You can't be moving your head around fast. You've got to be very positive about what you're doing. You've got to be doing it knowing that you're going to move your head slowly and not too fast. Yeah, guys. Apart from that, it works fine. Yeah, guys, it actually comes with an app. So that is it. That's all I'm going to be able to tell you now, guys, because I'm going out for my dinner. We're going to go out and go somewhere to have something to eat, and everybody's waiting for me. So that's the name of it, guys, the Boya Magic. Yep, it's out now. I understand it's actually being sold. Yep, so check out Amazon. I'm going to find some links, etc., to show you guys where to get it from, where I know where to get it from. I'm sure they've got a website you can buy it from as well, but then there's going to be Amazon links if you want one down in the description. I'll even send the link of the Kickstarter campaign bump that they actually spoke about and showed you about, or showed us about, the backers of what product they were actually bringing out to us. And yeah, guys, if you're interested, you can have a look at that and get one. So until the next video, I will catch you guys later.